What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the Borla Pro XS. So you notice that this is a used muffler now. So this was the first install I had as far as exhaust goes on my truck. So it wasn't good for me. It was a little quiet. It definitely gives the truck a deeper sound, and I just really couldn't find many videos out there with this muffler on my truck. So I bit the bullet. I just went ahead and put it on there. So I called around several different muffler shops, and I said, "What do you got that's Borla?" And they said, "We got this universal muffler." So I tried it out. It definitely gives a deeper tone, and I, I really liked it, except it was just too quiet for me. So, this is going to definitely be for somebody that doesn't want to wake the neighbors, doesn't want to, you know, cause a lot of attention or bring a lot of attention to yourself. But it definitely gives it a deeper tone, it cleans it up. Definitely recommend it if you don't want to be loud and proud. But I wish I would have cut my muffler off first, because it was a lot cheaper. It was $50, $60 for them to cut it off, just do a muffler delete. But I went this route first. Then I did the muffler delete. Then I ended up with the Borla Attack crate muffler, which ended up just being right for me. I would definitely rank this one, you know, low tier as far as loudness. And then the Borla Attack jumps quite a bit up. And then just a step above that was the muffler delete, which it blared. And I'm not crazy about blaring sound. It did sound good, but I want a deep, controlled tone. So this is a deep, controlled tone. It's just not loud enough. So, like I said, I'm gonna show you the videos that I had on this truck. I didn't make the best videos of them, of this muffler, but I do have some clips. I'm going to give you the factory, and then I'm going to give you what the Borla does. It deepens it up, and so let's check those out. And there you go. So there you go, guys. Now you know how it sounds. Decide if you like it or not. If you don't, I've got a link to the tack that I put on my truck that I currently have right now. I'll put that link in the description below. And I'll also put a link in the description below for the muffler delete. So if y'all like this video, make sure you hit the like and make sure you subscribe. See y'all.